Assalamualaikum my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a makeup look for you guys.
And we've taken over this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you like it. So let's begin. So we're starting off with a primer and we need to rub it on all of our face gently and nicely.
So next we have to put highlighter on our face and blend it nicely. You can apply it on the cheeks, forehead, nose, chin and blend it with our hands like a lotion.
So this is the foundation. Why can't I open it? Oh, I opened it. And we're gonna put it on our face everywhere and blend it gently. And when it's all blended, we can move on to the next step.
Blend, 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 blend. How long is she gonna take?
I don't know, but I think it's gonna take way long.
Blending is done. Now time for the concealer. We put it below our eyes and blend it gently and nicely with our finger. And then blend it again with a brush.
What? She's putting another concealer? Oh well. She's putting this one under her eyes, in the chin and forehead and the nose, and then blending it with a brush. Make sure you blend it nicely. When you do it nicely, it looks pretty.
Now time for powder. Don't take too much. Take a little bit. And blend it under your eyes and on your face.
So it's time for the bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer because it smells like chocolate. And we need to get a fluffy brush and then apply it on our cheeks and on our nose.
Now time for the blush. And just put a little bit and show that big smile of yours and then put it on your nose. Okay.
Now time for the highlighter, guys. Just put it in your cheeks above the bronzer at both sides. And then I guess drink your juice.
Brows are done off camera. Now it's time for eyeshadow. Apply some liquid eyeshadow and blend it with a brush.
Take any color you like and take a brush and then take that color and put it on the edges of your eyes, and then I think I can say I don't know how to explain the rest.
Yeah, just look at the video and follow what she's doing.
And put some highlighter in the eyes.
Now put on eyeliner and make sure you put it on neatly and I don't know what to say and blah blah blah.
Now take an eyeshadow of your choice and then blend it like an eyeliner. I don't know why adults take a lot of time and I'm bored.
Now we need to apply mascara.
Now she's taking a lip pencil and putting it all over her lips. And then she's gonna put a red lipstick on top. She's putting it now and I love this color, especially my sister.
Yep, I love that color.
So this is the end of our makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it.
And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. So see you guys next time. Bye.